You eating Huey? Ah! Oh. Has he got you? Ah! He keeps eating you. Oh, do you love him? Do you love him, Huey? Are you eating your brother? Hang on, I'm going to let him sit up now. If he wants to sit up. Were you eating your brother? Ah! He's coming for you! Ah! Hang on. Let me sit you up. Oosh! Oh, you're copying Isaac now, are you? You two are nutters. Would you like some breakfast, Huey?
Yeah.
What would you like?
Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies. Please.
What would you like? What would you like? What would you like? What would you like? Ah! You like to eat your hand. I'm gonna have some food, I'm starving. I'm gonna film the little walk. Oh yes. Oh yes, and there's the spider we caught. I wonder if he's dead yet. Ooh. He's freaky. Ew. He's still alive! Oh my god, he's still alive! Oh wow, look at that! I can really zoom in. Normally it doesn't like to focus on anything, this camera. And let's film our cereal cupboard. Do 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 do. Cereal everywhere. Look at my hairy face. Yo, I'm so hairy. I'm so hairy, yo. You can't beat this. Check out the hair. Check out the hair.